So this is build log number 1, and today we are going to do new cable management because I just got these cool and stylish Velcro straps and also a capture card for my camera for live streaming. We're going to install this and re-manage all the cables, as you can probably guess by cable management. And I'm also going to show you my PC, and it's a PC, it's something so special, and like nobody else has it, so I have to do this. It's pretty sick, yo. I mean, currently all the LEDs are off and there's a side panel on, so I probably should like unscrew this. So just put it aside. Yes, this is the proper way to store a mouse pad. And if somebody ever says, "Hey, that's not the right way to store a mouse pad," you just say, "Yes, you're right, but I'm special." Yeah, that's a professional conversation between professionals. And I can't turn like here because then I'm black and I'm not black, so that would be very confusing. So back to the topic. This is the PC. I know my RAM is not correctly installed, but this is because RAM slot number 4 is dead. And this is the first PC I built, so I had no idea about this shit, and I didn't test this motherboard, so I just had bad luck, and well, I mean, it works without it. But I'm gonna get a new motherboard. I'm gonna get a new one because this one doesn't have enough PCIe slots. The small ones for these. Because I need a wireless card. I'm gonna buy one because then it's Forster. Forster! Let's go Forster! And I'm also going to install my capture card. So two, and this is only one up there. And another one beneath my card, if you can see it. But I can't access it. So instead I have this like bulky, I don't know even what it is, connection. And 3, I have no idea how they're called. This is embarrassing. Yeah, I don't need many SLI graphics card slots. Just need small ones. Let's get to the build. Build log number 1. Open the case. Ta-da! I should probably unplug all the cables. Also on the front. Wait, you see, in this case, we have a front panel that sounds like it breaks when you take it off. So, but that's normal. Just ignore it. Front panel. Yeah. I cleaned this. You see this? This. A week ago. This is the horror that you have to live through when you have 2 cats. And also, top panel action. Wait, so you have to get the full action, immerse yourself. 3, 2, 1, and okay. Well, that was rather easy. Short break. I was cooking potatoes and I had to take them out of the pot and the cooking water. So, now that we're at step 3, we have to lay down the whole fucking thing. What the fuck? I grabbed a fan. Never grab a fan. My heart just jumped like crazy. I love PC building. So take 2 of laying down that thing. So I'm gonna cut out my very professional graphics card holding mechanism because that thing is so fucking heavy. And it's long. And I love it because it works perfectly. If you now ask yourself, the shit is that? It's a GTX 980 Ti. So let's grab a screwdriver and get it out. So, then, I'll show you real quick. you have to push this thing. I don't know if you can see, but if you don't push it, the graphics card never will come out. So you have to push it in, and then you click. That means you succeeded. And now you can remove the graphics card. Don't turn around display, thank you. So let's just grab it like that and just pull it out. Now we have to extremely sexy and powerful. Oh my god, did I just... No, I didn't. Great, I didn't scratch this. It's beautiful. So let's get the packaging. Always be careful. At least I like to be very careful with my graphics card because, you know, it's a little bit expensive. If you know graphics cards. What would happen if I didn't have a graphics card? I wouldn't be able to make videos for you. So, how do you like this? So, okay, next step. Unplug all the cables. USB 3 just come off without... Thank you. 24 pin. I hate this because this thing never works with me. I have to touch the PCB for a second there. So, that was way easier than I expected. I should also uninstall my power supply because then I have like complete access to all my cables, can reroute everything in order to Come on, this is a fucking thumb screw, not a knob. Sometimes I don't know my shit. Sometimes I just don't know what I'm doing 90% of the time, so sometimes it's 50%. So it's good chances that I have no clue what I'm doing. Dear Mr. Thumbscrew, please don't just... You were the chosen one, Thumbscrew. The chosen... I hate you. Oh my god, that's dusty. That's disgusting. That's extremely disgusting. Pull out all this and all of this. And all of mankind has to be unplugged so that we can install new things. Oh, I have 850 watts. Well, I already forgot in half a year that I have 850 watts. I always thought that I just had 800 watts. I built this PC myself, okay? And I forgot it, so... If this doesn't tell you anything, I don't know what you're doing here. Now that all the cables are basically, most of the cables are unplugged, I'm gonna cut everything. Where's the cutter?